Can you believe that this tiny seed can turn into a beautiful plant? Let's watch the magic of germination. For this experiment, we need a bean seed, some cotton, a transparent glass, and water. First, place some cotton inside the glass. Now place the bean seed gently on the cotton. Now, add a little water to keep the cotton moist. Now we wait and observe what happens. Look! A tiny root has started growing from the seed. Next, the shoot grows upward, and tiny green leaves appear. Germination begins when a seed gets water, oxygen, and the right temperature. The seed uses its stored food to start growing. And that's how a tiny seed begins its journey to become a plant. Follow the Teaching Corner Science for more amazing experiments.